Imagine you're sitting in your smart car and someone suddenly takes over the steering wheel. How will you feel when your neighborhood is struck by a severe storm and your home loses power and heat? You're at the airport waiting for your flight to depart, but suddenly the flight board shows that all flights have been cancelled. At the BCIT Critical Infrastructure Cybersecurity Lab, we are researching advanced solutions to detect, prevent, and mitigate cyber attacks on critical energy infrastructures like smart microgrids and digital substations. By offering online training, the CICL lab will be invaluable to academic institutions, utilities, industries, and specifically to remote and underserved communities. Using advanced visualization technologies like digital twins and cloud applications integrated with real-world devices and systems, trainees can gain the same level of experience with physical assets from their homes. BCIT Smart, helping build a safer and more secure Canada.